Good morning, SAFEMOON fam. It's time for another SAFEMOON news update. All right, first things first, I ran a giveaway yesterday for 20 million SAFEMOON. I think my criteria for that was, I believe, 1,000 likes on the video, along with commenting SAFEMOON to the moon. That way you qualified. Today, we didn't hit that goal yesterday, but today I'm going to do the same 20 million SAFEMOON giveaway. However, I'm going to have it to where, since I'm about to be at 300 subscribers, which I appreciate all your guys' support, I'm going to have it to where all I got to do is get up to 500 subscribers, and then like the video and comment SAFEMOON to the moon. So it's simple. Subscribe, like, comment SAFEMOON to the moon. If the channel hits 500 subscribers tonight, when I make the SAFEMOON news update in the morning, I will go ahead and announce that winner. And then it's simple. I'll just transfer the 20 million over to their wallet. Okay, awesome. Anyways, there is one piece of FUD that I want to squash. I think it's more or less on my end, or anyway, somebody sent me an email last night off my YouTube channel, and they said that I don't really hold SAFEMOON. They said that, you know, I'm just trying to hype the coin up. Well, you know, I do a lot of research on what I hold, and yeah, here's my wallet. I have around 600 million SAFEMOON, and I'm still adding. And any dip that we have, I'm buying the coin. Okay, it's a great opportunity right now, and this coin will definitely revolutionize the crypto market. And I feel sorry for a lot of people that are not jumping on to the fam, or not getting in the SAFEMOON army. But hey, everybody makes their own decisions. I just don't like it when people try to bash other people for trying to invest in making a future, making wealth for themselves. I don't like when people do that. And I will go ahead and say that anytime I see somebody putting FUD in the comment section, you will be removed. I don't want that in my community. This community is supposed to be a place where we can all have conversation, have fun, and just grow together, right? I don't want people in here that's going to spam my chat. I don't want people in here that's going to, just make it an unpleasant experience. We don't want that. I don't want that. So, yeah. Now that's out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the SAFEMOON news update, guys. Let's roll that intro. Alright guys, so at the time of this video, SAFEMOON is currently ranked number 53 on CoinGecko, setting at a 414 price. It's down 2.5% on the 1 hour, down 7.8% on the 24 hour, and down 19.9% on the 7 day. Okay, the market cap is setting at about a little over 2.4 billion, and the 24 hour volume is a little over 28 million. Now, here's something interesting that I found on Reddit. Okay, so right here, this is the Beautiful Mind posted, if this doesn't give you hope for SAFEMOON, then I don't know what will. Okay, this chart looks very similar to what we have going on. Okay, we had a spike, we had a comeback for like panic, this major sell-off, and then now we have a consolidation phase where we're the SAFEMOON army, we are holding this coin because we believe it's going to change the crypto space. So if I pull up the SAFEMOON chart, you can kind of see this, right? You see the ICO right here, the ICO, and the coin hits the exchange. You have your huge buy-in, have your sell, your panic sell, and then, excuse my bad, we have our huge buy-in, we have our panic sell, and then we have our consolidation. So right now, we are currently in this right here. Okay, once the team starts to deliver the SAFEMOON wallet, the exchange, the hard wallet, all that, that's when we will start seeing major adoption and real price growth. Okay, I thought that was really interesting, and I wanted to share that with you guys this morning. Okay, also, Papa has thrown out another teaser yet again on Reddit. Papa has said the contract is 44 kilobytes now. Now, for me, I'm not big on blockchain. I don't know what that means, but I did find out when I scrolled down a little bit. It literally, and this is the best response that I've seen on here. Okay, so it means he is definitely working on SAFEMOON contract blockchain, and he is using a programming language called Solidity to reduce and optimize the size of the coin, among other things. The smaller in kilobytes a contract is, the more secure it is, the faster the transactions are, and the lower the gas fees will be, I think. So Papa is teasing us with this, and we know they're working on a blockchain. I mean, literally the CTO is pretty much telling us right now, hey, we're working on the blockchain. We just can't tell you anything about it yet. And honestly, this Sunday's AMA, I believe is going to be absolutely huge for us because, first of all, we haven't had AMA last week, and they're making huge moves. And then we have the beta test for the wallet coming up June 15th. This Sunday's AMA could be absolutely huge as far as, news goes and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to be streaming that. So if you want to know when I go live, subscribe to the channel, hit the alert icon. That way you're aware whenever I go live. Okay, now, this is one of my favorite reports to read in the morning. This is by Daddy Beeb. I guess that's how you say his name. I'll make sure there's a link to his actual, his page in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and read this. I love reading these every morning, so here it goes. SAFEMOON family. Another day of minor price change. Currently, it looks like we are down 0.2%, which is barely anything. Keep in mind, this is 7 hours ago. This will be day number 9 of our stagnant period, which should honestly be of no surprise to anyone who has been following my post. Feel free to look at yesterday's post about our pattern and the fact that we still have a few more days before we can expect any large movements. I am expecting a large movement when they do the beta test of the wallet or a start of a larger movement this Sunday for the 8th May. The whales dropped down about 200 billion, which I mentioned before has become the daily average for our whale friends. The burn pile also grew about 90 billion. All of this is a nice steady burn and redistribution. Sorry, I need something to drink, guys. I swear, without coffee, I'd be like dead in the morning. Anyways, over the weekend, I made mention of Papa probably going to start dropping some teasers as we head into the end of the week, and sure enough, he is. Like I just showed you guys a second ago. Recently, he has been hinting at a SAFEMOON blockchain, which would be a true game changer. John is in Gambia. John's the CEO, and one can only imagine the conversations that are taking place over there. I really look forward to this week's AMA to get an update on all the different projects that the dev team has been working on. Final thoughts. Nothing too surprising today. We had a cute little jump in price, and I bet most of you thought it was time for launch. Over the past 24 hours, all the top 50 coins are showing green, and it makes me excited to see the market recovering as a whole. Bitcoin is up to where it was almost 2 weeks ago, so I feel like we have created a strong floor. Based on previous trends, I'm not worried about my investment since it seems that the price has finally stopped dropping. Keep in mind, I want to say this. Know what you hold. If you know what you're holding and you've done the research and you know the coin has potential and utility, if the price drops, you don't look at that as a scary moment for your investment. You look at that as an opportunity to buy more because you know that the final price will end up being a lot higher. So if you have emerald hands, diamond hands, you know to hold and continue to grow your bag. Those that sell their coins wish they would have bought before exploded. I'm about to give you guys an example of this in a minute. So yeah, hold, grow, and profit when this thing actually takes off. I know it sucks that we are down over 50% from the all-time high, but SAFEMOON is an extremely quick mover. We could see a new all-time high within a couple days of growth. We just need a strong catalyst to ignite our rocket. I agree 100%. We have been consolidating in price for a while now. We're being stagnant, and I think the market is just waiting. We are just waiting on some huge catalyst, some news to make this price go crazy. So right now is a good chance to, buy and grow your wallet and all of that. Okay, keep in mind, not a financial advisor, so don't buy anything because I say it's an opportunity. Just take my opinion and do with it what you will, but make sure you do your own research before you invest. Okay. All right, there are about half a dozen of them on the horizon, and I truly feel that we could see that ignition as we roll into the weekend. Only time will tell, so I'm just going to sit back, continue to wait and see what happens. Friday is payday, so I hope we can wait until then so I can buy some more tokens before our next jump. if we go and look at the whale watching report, which by the way, it's actually linked in his posts every morning, we can see that whales have whales have sold off 474 billion coins. We've burned over 82.1 billion coins, and yeah, it's crazy. This is as of today. You can see it's not much red, so not many whales are selling off. Okay, now here's something that I wanted to go over. I think it was right here. This is what I'm talking about when you hold and you get paper hands and you get scared because of an investment drop, and then you start selling. For one, a lot of people sell because they don't want to wait. Sorry, I mean, you don't make millions of dollars overnight. And a lot of people are looking for that quick hit. I'm not going to say it ain't possible to make, whoa, my voice just broke. I'm not going to say it's not possible to make $1 million overnight. I'm just saying it's really unlikely, and you've got to be willing to play the long haul, and you've got to have diamond hands. You've got to be willing to hold and wait, especially when you're in a stagnant period, when you're consolidating. Like I tell everybody, keep in mind, the longer the consolidation, the harder the pump, okay? This is a great example. This is AMC stock in the stock market. Okay, we can see they had kind of a squeeze up here back in January, back when the GME squeeze hit. They consolidated, the major, what's the word I'm thinking of here? The hedge funds sold off, controlled most of the market. I don't play with the stock market because it's too manipulated by hedge funds. I stay away from that. I don't like the fact that somebody can just, make an agreement with somebody and knock the market down. I don't like that. I don't know why the SEC does not control that, but hey, I guess it's all about money. As we can see, a lot of people were buying and selling in this range. And I remember, because I watched this, and I watched it very closely, there's a lot of FUD about this, saying, SafeMoon's going to go bankrupt. I mean, not SafeMoon. AMC's going to go bankrupt right here. It did not happen. It kind of came down, went up a little bit, and then just kind of consolidated. And then now, look, we are in a squeeze right now. This thing is squeezing. It's jumping up in price. Now, where do you think AMC people that made money in here, where do you think their money's about to go? See, people that invest in these meme stocks, okay, are looking for that quick hit, that get-rich-quick action, okay, just like GME, right? Well, what's the next stock that everybody's looking to? What's that next most hyped coin that everybody's looking into? It's going to be SafeMoon. So I strongly feel a lot of people that are taking profits from the AMC squeeze are going to put it into SafeMoon. And honestly, that could make sense too, while the market's a little bit down on the crypto side, because people see this happening and they're trying to jump in on this. It's called fear of missing out, FOMO. You'll hear that a lot in the crypto space. People are jumping in on this, taking their money out of crypto, because if the crypto's setting stagnant, like if SafeMoon's setting stagnant, for example, they see a stock over here blowing up and they see all the news saying it's squeezing, they're pulling their money out and they're putting it into this investment so that way it grows up. And then they're going to sell it and put it right back. I feel like a lot of money is just going into stuff like this right now, and then when it's coming down, which looks like it's coming down pretty hard, a lot of people that are selling right now, they're going to put it right back into the crypto space. People are just pulling out, investing into stocks that are blowing up, and then they're going to put it right back. It's like, I don't know, that's what I think is going on as well.
Rolling out more very soon.
Let's see here. Hold on one second, guys.
For the beta or DM Hank.
Let's see. I believe that was the SafeMoon AMA. Anyways, let's get into the price chart real quick. As you can see, like I said, consolidating. I drew this up. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool. I have our ascending area of support, descending area of resistance. It's otherwise known as an ascending triangle. It gives me an idea of the trend that's going on, and then I can also see resistance points that we have. We are definitely fighting this 0.786 resistance line. We are following it almost to a T. We've came up, tested it, and was rejected multiple times. Second time, third time, we came up. We kind of come back and test, see if it could become a support. Failed again, come up and tested again, and we're in a very slow uptrend. But like I said, we are consolidating. We're building volume. We're trading straight sideways, and we need that catalyst to make our volume go up. We have to have volume for this price to increase. And if we get the pricing or the good news from the AMA on Sunday, this coin will shoot off. And then if we have people coming from the stock exchange that have just made all that money from AMC, GME, all the stocks that are trying to squeeze, especially AMC, they're going to put it right back into the crypto space. So This weekend is going to be really, really interesting, especially with tomorrow being payday. You know, the stock markets aren't open on the weekends, so people are going to be leaning back into the crypto market this weekend. And I'm really curious to see what happens, okay? Also, before I get off here, guys, the AMA is this Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time or 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, I will be live streaming that AMA. Like I said earlier in the video, feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification icon so that way you know when we go live. I'm going to have the price chart up right next to it so we can kind of see what's going on as they're talking to see if it's a direct influence to the chart. And yeah, I look forward to the discussions that we can have on Sunday. Yeah, guys, feel free to like, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all the support. You guys are amazing. You have a blessed day. And as always, guys, see you in the morning, Crypto Fam.